This is my pet duck, Adam, going for his first swim. Be careful, Adam. Adam! Adam!
I can see two over there. There's one beneath it. He's fed you. He's making What is your problem?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, right? Get your goddamn ugly ass on.
You are fucking, you bloody bastard bitch, fuck you, bloody fuck you, bloody fucking